Welcome to Beck Tries Food. Today for something new it will be Ben Tries Food and we're making Hedgehog Slice. On the stove, add 150 grams of dark chocolate, 100 grams of unsalted butter and 295 grams of condensed milk over low heat. Continue to stir until the butter is melted and the mixture is smooth. Leave it to cool for a few minutes while you get the dry ingredients ready. Crush a 250 gram packet of plain biscuits, leaving a few decent sized chunks for texture. Next, add a half cup of desiccated coconut. I toasted mine to add to the flavour. Then add 2 tablespoons of cocoa. Don't be deceived by the video, adding 4, I was just making a double batch. Stir to combine your dry ingredients before adding your still warm chocolate mixture and mixing thoroughly to avoid dry patches. Line a baking sheet with baking paper. Unlike me, trim the edges first, leaving just enough to help remove it from the tray later, as it will make it easier to spread. Once evenly spread, put it in the fridge to cool. Next, for the topping, in a double boiler add 200 grams of dark chocolate and 50 grams of unsalted butter and mix over low heat until smooth and glossy. Pour the topping over the biscuit layer. Then notice why we should have cut the baking paper to size, as I make a mess with the topping. Pushing the topping out to the edges before smoothing with an offset spatula. Don't worry about it being uneven, as it adds to the look of the final slice, as long as it's relatively flat. Refrigerate the slice overnight and then cut into squares. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this recipe, like and subscribe to catch our weekly videos.